Hello, my name is Jasmine, and today I'll be talking about blood typing and transfusions. Let's start with some background history. So, during the 1600s, they started experimenting transfusions with lamb blood. Then, in the 1800s, they actually started using human blood. However, the results were not predictable. So in some patients, it would work, and in others wouldn't. So some would survive, and others were dying. Because the success rate was very low. Low. Some nation banned the transfusions late in the 1800s. However, later on in the 1910s, they were able to identify ABO blood groups, and antigen were explained. So before we proceed to the ABO groups, meaning the type of bloods we have, I want to talk about more what identifies or what makes different these blood types, which are the antigens and the antibodies. So, an antigen is a molecule that triggers the immune response. So, when the immune system encounters an antigen not found in the body's own cells, it will attack the antigen by producing protein antibodies against that antigen. These antibodies will react with unknown antigens, which will result in agglutination or basically clumping. For example, in a transfusion reaction, antigens on the surface of the donated blood cells react with antibodies in the plasma of the recipient, which, like I said, will result in clumping of the red blood cells. So now that we talk more about the antigens and how the antibodies work, let's take a look at the blood type groups. We have two main groups, which are antigen A and antigen B. There's which encounters or makes up four groups. So it's blood type A, B, AB, and O. So basically, blood type A has antigen A, blood type B has antigen B, blood type AB has A and B, and type O has neither of one. And here in this picture, you're able to see that antigen, blood type A has antigen A, B, and AB has both, and O neither one. Okay. However, when blood type A has antigen A and its absence of an antigen B, it produces an antibody, which is anti B, and that happens with blood type B. So it's gonna have an antibody of A, and AB it's gonna have neither one, no anti A or B, and blood type O is gonna have both of them, A and O. Here in the last column, you're able to see from which bloods you're able, well, type A, B, and so on are able to receive. You can see that blood type AB are universal recipients, meaning they can receive blood from any group. They can receive blood from A, B, or O. On the other hand, blood type O are universal donors. They can give blood to A, to B, and to AB. However, they can only receive blood from the same type as them, which is O. So once again, just to clarify, when antigen A is absent on the red blood cells, an antigen body called anti-A is produced, and whenever antigen B is absent, in a body antibody called anti-B is produced. So this is why for blood type A we have anti-B and so on. Okay, so moving forward, now we're gonna talk about the mismatched blood transfusions. So when you get a mismatch transfusion, the you can experience some difficulties like anxiety, difficulty breathing, facial blushing, headaches, neck pain, chest pain, jaundice. However, these are just the rapid difficulties, the ones you're able to see right away. However, a mismatch transfusion can be fatal and can basically lead to death. So blood type is it's very important, or blood overall. It provides homeostasis to the human body. So when getting a transfusion, knowing your blood type is very important. Is something inedible. And that'll be all for this presentation. This is my work cited. Thank you.